When you see alternating red and green flashes on your AT&T BGW320 router, this typically indicates that your router is updating its firmware. It is absolutely crucial that you do not disconnect or interrupt the router's power supply during this firmware update process. Interrupting the update can potentially damage your router and require replacement. Your router uses different LED light patterns to communicate its status. This guide shows what each color and flashing pattern means, helping you understand what your router is doing. Firmware updates are essential because they bring important security patches to protect your network, performance improvements to make your internet faster and more reliable, and new features to enhance your router's capabilities. The firmware update process follows a timeline. It begins with the alternating red and green flashes, continues for several minutes while the update installs, and completes when the light returns to a solid color, indicating normal operation. If the alternating red and green flashing persists for an extended period, typically more than 15 to 20 minutes, you can try rebooting the router. First, wait at least 15 to 20 minutes, then unplug the power supply, wait exactly 1 minute, and plug it back in. If a simple reboot doesn't resolve your BGW320 router issues, the next step is to check all your cables. Start by examining both Ethernet and fiber optic connections. Use the AT&T Smart Home Manager app or the My AT&T app to check for service outages in your area. These apps provide real-time information about network status and any ongoing maintenance. Ensure your router has sufficient ventilation to prevent overheating. Place it in an open area with good airflow, away from enclosed spaces or carpeted surfaces that can trap heat. If other troubleshooting steps fail, perform a factory reset by pressing and holding the red reset button for 10 seconds. This will restore the router to its original settings. If the problem continues after trying these solutions, contact AT&T technical support for assistance or possible equipment replacement. They can provide advanced diagnostics and hardware solutions. For slow Wi-Fi speeds, ensure the router is centrally located in your home. Consider using AT&T Smart Wi-Fi extenders to expand coverage, or use your own router if you experience issues with the BGW320's Wi-Fi functionality.